Hey guys, it's Matthew here from Appliance Testing Supplies. Today we are doing the unboxing of this Seaward Primetest Pro Kit. Here's the kit. It does come provided in a carry bag for easy transit and storing all your items. So let's have a closer look. Okay, inside we have the Seaward Primetest Pro, which is the unit that comes supplied with this kit. It has the keyboard, downloading, Bluetooth to the printer and the such. Next up, which is really important, is also the thermal printer. This is for printing your test tags. It does get supplied with a roll of labels along with a handy belt strap as well. This printer is supplied also with a AC/DC charger, charge the batteries. What's really important as well, it is provided with a 1-year software license, manual, as well as calibration certificates for peace of mind. Next up, we have the USB download lead to download your data from the tester to do your reporting. We also have the power supply lead. This here has a unique Seaward connection there so you can run your equipment and power your tester. Next up is the IEC adapter. Now this is vital for extension leads, power boards and UPSs. And lastly, within the kit, we have the 4mm test leads. So this test lead does come provided with a probe and a crocodile clip. Alright, that's everything that comes with the kits. Thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to the team.